Hi, I'm T. Taylor, Fine and Country. I'm just outside of the village of Woodborough, NG14, to introduce to you this beautiful house, Woodlands. This is a truly stunning Georgian home. It was extended by my clients in 2017, and they've created a house that is perfect for modern day family life. The property is approached by a dramatic driveway which culminates in a turning circle and extends to the rear of the property, leading to a detached double garage. The property enjoys gardens and grounds extending to 3.8 acres. Also within the grounds is a wooded area and useful workshop. Furthermore, there are 4 more lawn garden areas with gravel patio and a swimming pool. Heading inside, the property is approached by this beautiful canopied entrance, which leads into a spacious reception hallway which extends from front to rear, having high ceilings, moulded cornice and a door to the rear aspect for access from the garage. So what I really love is the rear part of this reception hallway, and it functions very well for a family, having a cloaks area, a seating area, and then to the left-hand side we have a really practical utility room, a fantastic guest cloak room which also has a wet room shower. And then to note in this reception hallway, a beautiful marble tiled floor covering with underfloor heating and access to the cellar. To the front of the hallway, leading off the left-hand side, is a study. It has an interconnecting double-sided stove which leads into a family room area, and to the rear of that, a gym. And then to the right-hand side of the reception hallway is this wonderful living kitchen. The living kitchen is effectively broken into 3 zones, and this is the front zone which functions as a living area, having this wonderful fireplace with open working fire. And then we've got this dual aspect through these large Georgian style windows, and it takes full advantage of the far-reaching views over the valley. So the middle zone functions as a dining area, having a bifold door which connects to the garden to side. And then we lead into this fantastic fitted kitchen with an extensive breakfast bar which can easily accommodate 6 people, again having another bifold connecting to the garden. So the island and the surrounding work surfaces are silestone. We have an integrated sink with a cooker hot tap. We have this beautiful cabinetry which is in a Regency style and is fitted to take full advantage of the high ceilings. We have a range of integrated appliances within the kitchen, featuring a Rangemaster cooker with 5-ring induction hob, a Miele multifunction microwave oven and coffee machine, a wall-mounted wine cooler, integrated dishwasher and a second preparation sink. This living kitchen space is a superb environment, ideal for entertaining, relaxing or just hanging out with the family. And continuing to the first floor, the theme of versatility continues, and here you can see an ideal space for a library or a reading area. We have high Georgian ceilings with moulded cornices. There is a total of 5 bedrooms, and to the rear there are 2 spacious twin bedrooms which enjoy a Jack and Jill ensuite. Leading off the middle of the landing is a 5th bedroom and a luxuriously appointed family bathroom. A truly stylish bathroom having Art Deco influences with twin wash-hand basins, a beautiful freestanding bath and a large separate shower cubicle. And then leading to the front of the property, we have the 4th bedroom, a superb principal bedroom and this balcony which would be ideal for a morning coffee or an afternoon drink. And finally, we have the principal bedroom suite, and what a showstopper this is. To the front is a dual aspect, again taking full advantage of those views over the surrounding countryside. And then I love this, a wood-burning stove at the foot of your bed. Continuing with the Georgian theme, we have high ceilings, moulded cornices, and a third window to the side overlooking the garden. Continuing with the theme of luxurious bathrooms in this property, the principal bedroom ensuite steps up the game again, having twin slipper baths. Again, we have twin sinks and a separate shower cubicle. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Woodlands. What a superb Georgian house this is. If you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a viewing, then please get in touch with me on the details that follow.